Today's video is on how to fix your credit fast. My name is Unwana Udoh. Every week, I share information on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Make sure to watch till the end to learn how to fix your credit fast. If you have been denied a loan or a credit card, it may have something to do with an important number that determines your creditworthiness. This number is called your credit score. This is the three-digit number that creditors, such as banks and credit card companies, look at in order to determine if you are a good credit risk and if you will pay them back. They get these numbers from credit reporting agencies that also get information about your credit history from current and past creditors. If you haven't been able to pay your bills on time, it will lower your credit score. By having a bad credit score or a low credit score, it will lessen your chances of getting the best credit card and loan rates. It is a fact that many people don't know that creditors have access to this information. However, you have to realize that this information will act as security whether you are a person who is creditworthy or not. Through this information or through this simple three-digit number, creditors decide whether or not to get you approved for the credit card or the loan. Sometimes, having a low credit score can get you a credit card or a loan. However, it will usually have higher interest rates because you will be seen as too risky. Because of this, you should try to improve your credit score in order to gain access to the best loan and credit card deals. You should also realize the fact that having a bad credit score will also mean that you will have difficulty to access simple technology, such as getting a phone line hooked up in your own home. Phone companies and other utility companies are also taking a look at credit scores to make sure if you will likely pay the monthly bills or not. Here are ways on how to fix your credit fast. If you have an unusually low credit score, get your credit report from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Make sure to check the description below for a link to get your credit report from MyFICO. By doing this, you can know about your credit history and compare each report and determine if it contains errors that may be hurting your credit score. For example, if you notice that a particular report contains an unpaid debt but you previously paid it, you have to correct the error by sending a letter and proof that you paid the debt in full. Errors like this will lower your credit score. By taking this action, you will be able to raise your credit score in a matter of 30 days. You should also realize that credit bureaus are responsible for correcting any mistakes in your credit report, and you should also know that it is in the law that they do. The next thing you need to do is pay down the debt you have. For example, if you have a credit card debt, you don't have to pay all of it at once. The point to all this is to pay down your credit card debt up to the point that it will not have a balance that exceeds 30% of your credit limit. This represents your credit utilization ratio. The higher the ratio, the higher it impacts your credit score. If at all possible, try to maintain a utilization ratio of under 7%. Last but not least, the most important thing you can do in order to raise your credit score is to pay all your bills on time. By doing this, the creditors will not report any negative things about your credit activities. By paying your bills on time, you will be able to raise your credit score. This is the fastest way to fix your credit score. If you found value so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so YouTube will notify you of my latest video. In the description below are eBooks I wrote on credit and wealth creation. These eBooks contain strategies I am currently applying to improve my personal finance and grow my wealth. Make sure to get your copies, they are currently available on Amazon. Check the links below. The next video on the screen contains information you will love. Click to watch that video now and I will see you there.